Hey guys, Min here. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about something a bit more personal, and what I'm talking about is shaving. I'm a guy that usually doesn't shave too much because I don't have the ability to grow beards and things, but I've seen a lot of talk about using safety razors, and so I got really interested in it and I thought I should give it a try. And after giving it a try, so I decided to do this video, which is about comparing a double-edged safety razor with a cartridge razor, that, Gillette Fusion 5. So let's get started. First, I'm going to talk about the safety razor. Then this is a adjustable safety razor, and I thought double-edged safety razor, and I thought this would be a much better solution. And of course, I got this Japanese blade, and I thought, man, Japanese blade, high stainless steel blade, platinum coated, it's going to be awesome. So the way you want to get safety razor started is you're going to have to put in a new blade. So take out the top. Open the packaging carefully without cutting yourself, and put on the blade. There we go. Okay, now you have ability to adjust the amount of angle that you can, and you can do 6 and then 1. Okay, so I'll go to about 3 and start shaving. I am using, not sponsored, I'm using some this very awesome brushless shaving cream, which I love. The process is the same. It's pretty much, wash my face a bit, warm it up, getting the hairs up, and then put on the shaving cream. Others, professionals, may say you have to do all these pre-treatments. I'm going to do the same for both type of razors and make a comparison. Because ultimately, what we want is a clean shave at the least amount of time. I don't want to spend my morning preparing all this stuff, and without cuts. All right. Okay, so let's start. First go, and then I'm going to go against the grain. So far so good. I feel like it's... Give it a bit here and there. I feel like it's not getting as close as I want it. So I'm going to turn this up to 6. Like closer. Okay. I think I'm done. No cuts, so that's great. And I feel really smooth. I think I did everything I can with the going with the grain, so I'm going to try to go against the grain now. Oh my goodness, it is clean. All right, some cold water.
Man, I already cut myself.
Sucks. And I have my first shave squadron repair, gel repair. All right, nice and clean shave.
Big cut too.
Still feel a little bit of stubble. with warm water, wash with cold. Okay. All right, so that's pretty good. Some final thoughts. I feel like this is definitely more efficient and quicker. Now, if you want to save a few bucks and don't care about the time, then the double edge may work for you. But honestly, I think this gives you a better result. It may be because I'm not shaving it properly and taking the time necessary to do that, but I just don't see how I could do that every other day or every day. I need my time fast and quick and get a good clean shave. So my recommendation, just me, is to go with a Gillette Cartridge razor, and Mach 3 or Fusion 5 are all very good. But if you really want to experience what it feels like to shave in the old days, get one of these, not too expensive. I hope this was helpful to you, and if it is, give me a thumbs up, or if you really like it, subscribe. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!